This is a 2017 Buick Cascada, light blue over tan leather interior. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cruise control, navigation, satellite radio, remote start, heated seats, heated steering wheel, traction control. There's a look at the rear seat. Aluminum wheels, backup sensors. There's a look at the trunk storage with the top in the down position. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, so it's fuel efficient and has power. And like all pre-owned vehicles, AutoNation Ford Bradenton, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.